let's go with the ingredients first. We use wet stock, we use Parmesan cheese, butter, risotto rice. So the method how we make it, first we pre-cook the rice risotto for 8 minutes with wet stock. In wet stock we put leek, celery, onion and carrot. Dry mushroom, we blitz it. Blitz means we mix it, we break the mushrooms and we add into wet stock. So whenever we receive the order, we take 2 ladles as much as we need to make the consistency and to cook the risotto rice. So we cook for 8 minutes. The timing for risotto is 8 minutes. By the time it's come on the table, it's gonna like 9 minutes. So when we finish the risotto, 8 minutes, finish with the Parmesan cheese and butter, we emulsify the risotto to mix the butter and cheese and make it creamy. And we finish with the chopped chives on top. If anything else, feel free to ask me. Any questions?